Well, it's been a while since I did a video, but yep, today is the day we get to unbox a brand new game. I just got back home from Best Buy not too long ago. So today we're going to unbox it and review it for you guys. I'm very excited for this game. Hope you guys are too as well. Because if you guys don't know, last Friday was the release of Super Mario 3D All-Stars, for the 35th anniversary of Super Mario. So today we're gonna unbox it. I'm very happy to have it. Last Friday there was a delay of getting my order, so it took a while, almost a week, but it took 6 days to get here. But here it is, Super Mario 3D All-Stars for the Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite. So here it is. Here's the back. I don't know if you guys can see it well. Lighting here is not that great, but you know, it's whatever. So we're gonna go ahead, grab my keys. We're gonna open it for you all. And then we're going to review it and put it inside my Switch. Quick, oh, I've got stuff to do. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like it's been sanitized, but oh wow. They did a good job inside the case. So here's the inside of it. So that's like freaking hand sanitizer. Alright, so let's go ahead, put it inside our Switch. What game was it? Mario Maker 2. We're just gonna put that there. Alright. So let's well, that was quick. All right. The dog's crazy. So yeah, Super Mario Sunshine and of course Super Mario Galaxy. Also, we have some soundtracks too. We good. This is pretty cool. I like this already. The one thing is, you guys remember from the original Super Mario All-Stars, they actually had 4 games. Sorry about that, guys. But this includes 3 games and 3 of every soundtrack in the game alone. Which I think that's pretty cool. Now, the one thing that's a downside is I kind of wish they would have put Galaxy 2, because that's also another 3D platform game, and it was also the second game of Super Mario Galaxy. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I like the artwork. Smells like hand sanitizer and this COVID, obviously. So we're gonna take this off and we're gonna show you guys what it looks like. But that's pretty cool. I love the design on the inside of the case. So, well, I guess that does it. I mean, there's nothing much to talk about with this game, but I'm just happy I have the game. You know? So I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. But above all, we are almost at 600 subscribers. So if you want to share this channel with a friend or some of your family members, do that. And until next time, guys, say have a great day, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out, Luigi's. Have a fantastic summer. Fall.